Girl. It makes me seem reckless, but I am probably one of
the most careful people I know.
Accessories. Hello! We're going to be unboxing the Insta360 GO Ultra. It is so small, waterproof, magnetic, durable. I was so excited to get it. I ordered it off of the Insta360 website. Some mixed reviews on Reddit of people saying that it took them forever to get it, but mine came within 2 days. Without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. In the box, we have a whole bunch of goodies. The Insta360 case, it came as part of a promo that they were doing for their spring sale. Honestly, it's giving like Home Depot or something. A little mini toolkit, maybe with some stickers. She could be quite cute, we'll see. The mini 2-in-1 tripod. What's awesome about the GO Ultra is I feel like the angle in and of itself is definitely a bit wide, which I love. It really just captures the background a little bit better, and I like for people to see where you are in those details, so that's really nice. When you go like this, you can see so much, which is incredible. This comes with the tripod, a storage cover, a little selfie stick wrist strap, which is great, and then some anti-slip rings. Sticky tabs. This came in a set of 3, which I'm really excited to use. Their quick release mount was a part of the bundle as well. I'm saving everything for last, you guys, the best parts. This little guide about their accessories, which is nice, so you can kind of see what the kit that you bought had in it, what the uses are for, and maybe if there are any other accessories that might be a good fit for your style of shooting. Thanks to one of my favorite creators, shout out Kitty Steckley. Make sure you're supporting your fellow creators. With her code, I was able to get Mic Air as a free goodie as well, so I am thrilled about that. It is a tiny little thing. I have been needing a new Bluetooth microphone, so if this is good, I honestly might order a second one. Testing to come. And then the best part, drum roll please, the Insta360 GO Ultra. I'm so excited. The fact that there are other items in this box besides the camera and it's still this tiny. I'm literally ecstatic about this. I've had the incredible privilege to be traveling abroad with my best friend for the past 4 years, coming up on 5, and I cannot wait to record our travels with this. It will just make it a seamless experience of not having to have all of these accessories for another camera that you have to be super delicate with. Knowing that if it has a little bump or a fall, it's not going to break and be damaged. Then you're in a country where you can't go get the support to fix that, and it just you spend so much money on a camera, you want it to be adaptable to your environment. So I think that this little tiny hands-free camera is going to be chef's kiss. I am already so excited, jotting down in my notes app like crazy all of the shots that I can get for that kind of hands-free POV. Just that it's magnetic, I'm going to be sticking this literally everywhere, and catch me in my vlogging era.
Catch me in my vlog area, you heard it first.
Without further ado, we should probably get to opening this bad boy. Woo! Okay, I'm so excited. I'm so happy we're doing this together. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, that should be enough. Oh. The ASMR on this one. That's awesome. Okay, wait, but before we begin, I did also order the pivot stand. I saw videos online that people just love this accessory. You can move in any direction, so you can really angle the camera in super unique ways. Instead of having 1 or 2 or 3 options to kind of angle it at, you really can go crazy with it. At least I plan to, so I'm very excited about that. And then in order to function, we have the 512GB memory card, which is so small. The memory card for the Insta360 GO Ultra does not come included with this, so it's important that you order this. I ordered their own just because I'm trying to keep my system nice and organized and cohesive. Let's get to opening it. Oh my god, I'm sorry. She's so cute. She's so cute. I'm like, Giddy, are you kidding how small this is? Like, girl. My new best friend, my literal new best friend. It's like a little blooming onion. I mean, it's not, but also kind of. Comes with a quick start guide, instructions on how to turn on the camera, how to charge the camera, waterproof guidelines, how to film horizontally and vertically, which is amazing. You can just move it over. That will be super useful if you're filming for both short form and long form content. Oh, it came with some stickers. Maybe one of them will go on the case. Who knows? We'll see. Their warranty card, extended warranty, and then safety guidelines.
Who needs those?
Obviously, I'm joking. This makes me seem reckless, but I am probably one of like the most careful people I know. So just in a mood today, you guys. I'm just literally
so excited about this camera.
like everything is aligning with it. I cannot freaking wait. So we are going to open it for the accessories.
Bye.
Oh my God, of course. But literally, perfect. Thank God it still has this little protector on. I don't even know if I should include that in the video, to be honest. Probably not, because girl, she ended up including it in the video. That scared me so bad. And like, I should have known that was coming. Should have known that was coming. Okay, yeah, I should have taken it off. But here is how small it is. I just need to reset. Oh my God. It's okay, right? Sure, it's fine. Yikes. Okay, take the camera off for opening the accessories. This little box has the magnetic pendant that I'm so excited to use. Their USB-C charging cables, their magnetic easy clip. You can adjust it to different levels, which is super cool. There is the action pod. Literally, that's so small, and that's not even the camera. That's crazy. To put this in, you literally click and place just like that. It is perfect. Look how cute. Honestly, this probably weighs just as much as my iPhone with its case on.
Okay, hi, editing Gabriella is here. It is so much lighter than my iPhone. Oh my gosh. Look at these numbers. Honestly, it is so tiny and portable. It is truly the perfect on the go camera.
Oh my God, that fall scared me, you guys. Literally, just as I was telling you I'm the most careful person I know, and then that happens. I am going to film a little vlog around the house to show how it can be used in your everyday life. You can capture it really beautifully. I was so impressed with how it looks. If you are interested in that, go check that out. And if it's the first time we're seeing each other's faces, my name is Gabriella. I am literally so happy you're here. This year, I am just running with the wind for my creative passions. I have been holding myself back for years, and no more with that. Absolutely no more with that. With this, you're about to see me a lot more. If you enjoyed this video, it would mean so much if you gave it a thumbs up and subscribe, because we have got content coming. We're about to go off. I am gonna bring her traveling with me and do reviews. If you're deciding between which camera to get, feel free to ask. I've been filming with my iPhone. I use the DJI camera just the tiniest bit, and now I have the Insta360 GO Ultra. If you have this camera, what have you been loving the most about it so far? I am so hyped. I've been watching so many videos of other people using it and vlogging. I hope you stick around. It was so great to see your face today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. You guys, I literally actually cannot believe that happened. Like, I'm in shock. What am I doing? What am I doing? If that is not testing exactly how durable it is, literally from opening the box from the get-go, I don't know what to tell you, but that's the review in and of itself, girl. She's perfectly fine. I panicked and ran out and told my sister, and she was like, no, literally, of course, you said you weren't destructive, and
Dropped it.
however, literally not a scratch. Thank God it comes with the protective lens cover on it. Thank you, Insta360, for doing that. I'm just shook. Like,
That rattled me. That literally rattled me.
I was like, I just bought this new camera, and then I broke it. But it's perfect. Recovering on that one, you guys, it's fine. It actually is completely fine. Thank God, it's completely fine. Oh, landed perfectly in the other box. It's a little squeaky.